Good afternoon, this is Bob McGuire with Silver Seas Yachts. I'm here in Huntington Beach taking a look at my newest listing. This is the 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This boat's equipped with triple Mercury 350 L6 Verados. Those are the supercharged 6-cylinders. This boat's in great shape, low hours, and it's also held in a transferable LLC. Let's take a look. Alrighty, let's start here at the stern. So you've got your triple 350 Mercs, and here's your boarding door on the port side of the boat. I've got it in kind of lounge mode right now. We've got this rear seat out. This seat does fold all the way in. And now you can use it as a combing pad. There is your ladder that will mount here, nice dive ladder. You also have a boarding door here at the stern on the starboard side. If you're fishing, you can simply just bring something in here off the back or come on over here. There is a live well here on this side. We've got various rod holders here at the aft. You do have a freshwater wash down. It's the shower style, so that does hot or cold water. This is going to be one of your fish boxes or kill boxes. You can fill it with ice and it does drain. Now on this side you've got a grill. Got a pretty cool system on how it's hidden, and to my knowledge this grill's never been used before. So here are your freezer plates back here. So you can simply just open this, or you can open both of these, and this whole deal folds down. It's simply just a stair for the chair when it's in the rear facing position. So right now it's in the forward facing position. And you simply just give it a push, and now it's rear facing. Pretty cool deal. Oh, you also have another shower here. This is hot and cold. Another, I guess, kill box. It has a drain in it as well. So something really unique Boston Whaler does is the table that mounts in these two receptacles here is underneath this hatch. The poles are down there as well. They simply screw in here, and then you got yourself another table out here. You'll notice there's JL audio just everywhere on this boat. It does have a reverso flush system, so instead of hooking up to each engine individually, you simply hook in and then hit this button once, and it fresh water flushes each engine. You also have a raw water wash down here. There is a sure shade. This will extend all the way out to just about where the motors are here. More JL audio. So when we do put this seat in the forward facing position, there is another little table receptacle that'll go right here. There is AC and heat all throughout the cockpit in here, which is huge because it's got the strato glass, not isinglass. That's why it looks so clear, almost like real glass when you look through it. So you've got a panel here, another panel here on the starboard, your full windshield, and then this panel right here simply just zips in right there to the port side. And you've got another piece right here. So it really is like having a fully enclosed boat, especially if you're boating out here in the winter. It's a very nice feature to have. Keep the cold air off you and crank the heat, and you go to Catalina pretty much anytime you want. So this is our helm. You got your Mercury JPO joystick right here. This is docking. You can also use the heading hold feature or autopilot. Your Mercury DTS controls are here. Here's your chain counter, your Lenco trim tabs, and your Fusion stereo. Here's your spotlight, and then you've got 2 Raymarine MFDs, so chart plotter, radar, anything else you'd like to add to it. Here's your push to start for the engines, and then all of your various switches for your lights, your live well, the fan, defroster, etc., etc. Got a nice little storage spot up here. And then this is your Mercury Active trim. So if you turn this on, the boat will trim itself and you do not have to. There's different settings here, 1 through 5, 5 being the fastest and 1 being the most modest. Here's your Mercury vessel view. So you can see we've got 687, 687, and 685. Not very many hours for Mercury. This is your Seakeeper display right here. So this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper, which for in the Pacific out here, that is huge. Especially if you're doing the air show. Let's take a quick peek into the cabin. So we're in the cabin. This is going to be your interior AC and heat and your exterior AC and heat. Another Fusion head unit here. And then this panel on the port side is going to be your main breaker panel. There's your freezer plate, your DC panel and AC panel. Your generator start and stop, and that Kohler has 822 hours on it. Got yourself a little TV here. And then these actually join together. These come down to fill the sides, and this turns into one big bed. Very cool feature. You can sleep 2 people down here. Just additional storage here on the starboard. And then this is going to be your head. So it is a wet head. Got this nice teak piece of wood that comes down to cover the toilet, and then a shower curtain that'll come and block this off while you're showering. So here's a very cool feature of this boat is the helm chair will rotate all the way around. So when you do have that table that slides into that little receptacle there, you can sit here and use this to dine at also. Very cool feature. All right, let's head to the bow. So very generously sized bow. These are all armrests that fold down here. This table is electronic. It will go up and down. There is a bow table cushion that goes on top of here, so when it is dropped all the way down, it's basically one big sunbed. And then all these cushions are removable, so you can stow them down in the cabin. There's also a cover that goes around this to protect the upholstery when you're not using it. There's your spotlight, your Raymarine radar. Alrighty, well, that's the Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This boat is in Huntington Harbor and ready for immediate showings. Please give me a call at the number below or shoot me an email. Thank you and happy boating.